Good morning, students. Today we are going to fill the chapter number 17, that is the wonderful inventions. बहुत सारे inventions हुए हैं. It can be in the field of science or it can be in field of any other field. So there are nearly 2 billion years ago, stone tools was the first technological inventions. So here what you have to do in this chapter is that you have been given the inventions and you have to match with the inventors, यानी जिन्होंने इन्वेंट किया है चीजों को. यहाँ पे नाम दिए गए हैं एक साइड and the other side you have been given the inventor's name. So you have to match the inventions with the inventors. So let's start with the chapter. So the first one here it is the Braille typewriter. Who has invented this? The Braille typewriter, यानी टाइपराइटर जिसपे हम लोग टाइप करते हैं. So that person name is Frank Heaven Hall. So you will mark it here 1 number. Next it is chocolate chips cookies, and the inventor name is Ruth Graves Wakefield. This is the 2nd number. You will mark it here 2nd number. So 3rd it is Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel was invented by the George Washington Gale Ferris Jr. So you will mark it here the 3rd number. 4th it is the electric iron. Electric iron was invented by Henry W. Seeley. So you will mark it here as the 4th number. 5th it is elevator, and elevator was invented by the Elisha G. Otis. 5th number you will mark it here. 6th it is sewing machine, जिसे हम लोग अभी सिलाई करते हैं. इट इज वेरी इजी. हम लोग कोई भी स्टिचिंग का वर्क करना रहता है बहुत ही इजी तरीके से हो जाता है एंड हमारा क्या होता है टाइम भी बच जाता है. दैट इज द 6th नंबर एंड इट वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाय द Barthélemy Tim Noyer. So you will mark it here 6th number. Next it is the bifocal lens. Bifocal lens, not bio, it is bifocal lens, and it was invented by the Benjamin Franklin. So we will mark it here as 7th number. Next comes the pendulum clock. Pendulum clock वो एक मूवमेंट है, यानी एक साइड से दूसरे साइड में मूव करता है वो, एंड इट इज नॉट स्टिल, वो मूव करता रहता है. सो 8th number it is invented by the Christian Huygens. So you will mark it here as 8th number. Next comes the safety pins, which we are using in our day-to-day lives. It is very useful. So it was invented by the person Wattler Hunt. So you will mark it here as 9th number. Next comes the hovercraft, and it was invented by the Christopher Cockerell. So you will mark it here as 10th number. Next comes the safety razor with disposal blade. This is also very useful tool, and it was invented by the It was invented by the person name is that is King Gillette and William Emerson Nickerson. You might have seen in this safety razor that is with the disposal blade that it is written Gillette. So you can learn this. It won't be difficult for you to learn the name, that is King Gillette and William Emerson Nickerson. So you will mark it here as 11th number. 12th it is air conditioning, and it was invented by Willis Heaviland Carrier. So you will mark it here as 12th number. 13th it is piano, musical instrument it is, and it was invented by the person that is Bartholomew Cristofori. So you will mark it here as 13th number. 14th compact disc, which is used for various files we can store in this, and we can keep it for our next time use, or for future use we can keep our files and folders in this compact disc, and this is also known as the CD, and it was invented by the person that is James T. Russell. So you will mark it here as the 14th number. Glider, that is invented by the Sir George Cayley. So you will mark it here as 15th number. Next, we are going to move on to the chapter number 19. Chapter number 19 is about the facts about the universe. It is very important for us to know our universe. What are there things which are there in the universe. Very interesting things are there, and we should know about that. Let us see what all the things are there. So the first point in this are there are billions of galaxies and stars with planetary systems in our universe. And the galaxy which we belong, that is the Milky Way galaxy, and there are billions of galaxies and the stars in the planetary system, that is planet system. Man has been studying the universe for centuries and still has not been able to know all its secrets. बहुत सारी रिसर्च हो रही है यूनिवर्स पे, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो अभी तक अननोन है. Next, it is the meteors are the falling stars that we sometimes see in the night sky. These are bits of rock and other debris from the space that enter our atmosphere and burn up in the air. Meteors that we call as the Truth Tatara, and the same it is there, and we make a wish from that stars. The same stars is known as the meteors, and it is the part of these stars only. Some little parts break up from the break and that falls in onto the atmosphere on our atmosphere, and it seems to be like a falling stars. तो इससे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, विश भी मांगते हैं इस टूटते तारे से. दैट इज ओनली नोन एज द मेटियोर्स. इट इज द पार्ट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स ऑफ अदर मेटियोर्स का कुछ टुकड़ा होता है जो कि पार्ट होता है इसका, और ये एटमोस्फेयर में जब अलग हो करके गिरता है, देन इट फॉल falling like stars, and we see it in the night sky. As I have told you, our solar system lies in the galaxy called the Milky Way. There are millions of other planetary systems in the galaxy. बहुत सारे planets हैं हमारे galaxy में. And there are roughly 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way. There are how many? It is about 100 to 400 billion stars. At the most, about 8,500 stars of them are visible from Earth, while 2,500 stars are visible to the naked eye. As you all know that about 8,500 stars जहाँ हम लोग को visible होता है अर्थ से, और naked eye से हम लोग सिर्फ 2,500 ही देख सकते हैं. Isn't it? Is it true? Yes. Some stars can be seen only at a particular time of the year. They are not visible all the year round. यानी कुछ stars ऐसे हैं जो कि हमेशा दिखाई नहीं देते, बल्कि कुछ ही टाइम पे दिखाई देते हैं. Most meteors burn up completely in the air and never reach the surface of the earth. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि टूटता तारा we call it as a meteors. Some meteors क्या होता है, एयर में ही बर्न हो जाता है और वो अर्थ के सरफेस पे नहीं पहुंचता है. अगर अर्थ के सरफेस पे पहुंचता है तो वह हमें टूटता तारा की तरह दिखाई देता है, isn't it? बट कुछ जो होते हैं मेटेरियल्स वो एयर में ही क्या हो जाते हैं, बर्न हो जाते हैं और सरफेस पे अर्थ के नहीं पहुंचते हैं. बट सम मेटेरियल्स डू नॉट बर्न अप कंप्लीटली एंड फॉल डाउन ऑन द अर्थ एज मेटेराइट्स. ओके, यस. Next, we are going to move on to the chapter number that is 41, the tales of animals. Tales यानी stories होते हैं, and most of the children's literature have animal characters. आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे animal characters होते हैं, and you must have read these stories too. Name these characters described below. आपको यहाँ पे कुछ characters का description दिया गया है. You have to fill that. It is a little white mouse adopted by a family in a children film. What is the name of this mouse? अब आपको इस white mouse का नाम बताना है. That white mouse name is Stuart Little. S-T-U-A-R-T, Stuart Little. L-I-T-T-L-E, Stuart Little. Second it is, in the Asterix comics, this little dog is a friend of Obelix. What is his name? So, what is the name of that dog? Dog Matix. So, you will fill it here. D-O-G, dog. M-A-T-I-X, Matix. Third it is, Harry Potter is a young magician. He has an owl as a pet. Name that owl. अब उस owl का name बताना है आपको. Hedurge. So, you will mark it here as, you will write it on here H-E-D-U-R-G. Fourth, it is in Rudyard Kipling's book, The Jungle Book, there is a story about a mongoose who has fight with a deadly snake and kills it. What is the name of mongoose? So that name is Rikki Tikki Tavi. So you will write it down here. R-I-K-K-I. Rikki Tikki. That is T-I-K-K-I. Next, here it is. In Archie's comic, Jughead Jones had a dog. What is the name of this dog? उस dog का क्या नाम है आपका? Hot dog. So you will write it here. H-O-T, hot. D-O-G, hot dog. The author Dick King Smith wrote a tale about a motherless pig who learns to talk of other animals. What is the name of that pig? उस पिग का क्या नाम है? बेबी. B-A-B-E. There is a cat in this story, Alice in Wonderland, that keeps disappearing and sometimes leaves its eyes behind. What is the name of this cat? That cat name is Cat Cheshire. So you will write it down here. C-A-T, cat. C-H-E-S-H-I-R-E. So what you have to do is, you will learn the chapters and you will fill it in your book. That's all for today. Thank you.